Ganesha and coconut breaking of new lesson. Which are the name of lesson? Just one or two lessons are over. Suddenly we reach a new point of angle where we learn force. Sir, what do you mean by force? I have no idea. That's why they suggest, which they suggest, which hint can be allowed for students. Sir, I come in your class, that time my sound become high. That shows that theory element, that are the force. Just pushing, pulling, lifting, any one action you can be done for giving any object, it is not force. Those action, those dancing, those actor, any one word which you perform, it is caused because of force. But behind force, there is another element. It is known as pressure. That's why he says that if you want to learn about that lesson, both physical quantity at a time, learn about that from that lesson. That's why title about that lesson, force and pressure. Sir, I know very well, I teach us lot of about that word, but students can't recognize what teacher teaches. That's why he reaches to point of angle where allowed one method. Name of that method, question asking method. I ask some question, on the basis of that question, students are ready to give somewhat else. That's why in your textbook, he is asking one question. Which are they? First of all, which are the types of forces? Students are ready to give an answer. Some says that gravitational, some says that electrostatic force, some are magnetic force, some are say centrifugal, centripetal, induction force. Every forces which are learned up to 7th standard, students are pumped out, take out, thrown out, given out. It can be said something about forces because that word needed here. Why? Each and every information can be caused because of forces. That's why first question in front of student. Which are the types of forces? Sir, if you want to learn them, then another questions are also elaborate. Which are they? At the time of explain of Newton's first law, it is totally done because of forces. Which is this? Any object, any matter, anything, any material, anyone which can be kept at one place, they remain their place. If you apply any types of force on any direction, that time they start moving. If they start moving, that time it is caused because of force. Next question also goes to force. First saying which are the types of force, saying same value about forces. Second of all asking question which are related to Newton's first law. They also says that if you write, you also write. If I push, pull, drawn, stretch, you shakeable movement by using force, you do that action. That's why two questions give an idea for student. Everyone can be done because of forces. I teach in front of you because of forces. My cell vibrate me to speak someone. Is it a force? Anyone not for that whatever course you can be studying. You are given some God gift to earn your family. Sir, I am a teacher. I teach us that are force. Sir, actor, I do best acting. I am a runner. I am well writing. Each and every provide for you. That are the force. But behind force, pressure, backside say you do that action. That are pressure. That's why I learned from that lesson. Force and pressure. By using that to question, emerged out idea from student. Next of all, here given three types of pain. Which are they? As like to your age level, one students are there, he want to push that iron sheet of car by using palms. If I them, with them, close them, neighborhood with them, near with them, nearest with them, that time contact of two balls. Second example, suppose that I kick the ball. If I kick the ball, that time there is a contact between my leg and also football. Each and every example shows for you, if you want to do any one, that time two possibility. One close with another. Second is also does not close with another but doing force. Which close with another? Contact force. If it is without contact doing force, that time non-contact. On the basis of three examples, he warned out the awareness in front of students. Which are they? Forces are not certain types which you are learned up to now. Magnetic force, electro, these are the scientific words, but behind them they come under because of contact or without because of contact. That's why that forces in your syllabus can be carried two ways. First of all, contact force, and second of all, non-contact force. Sir, what do you mean by contact? If two objects come in contact with each other, that time forces can be occurred because of this. That time it is known as contact. But somewhat force, suppose that an apple moved toward the ground surface. At the time of moving, does not show contact with the earth surface. That time it is first of all non-contact. If it is touch, that time non-contact convert into contact. After one they convert into gravitational force. That's why I say that. Suppose that I can be take comb which are usually in mirror. How am I look? That comb rub against your skin. That time it creates two types of charges: positive charge and negative charge. These are the oppositely charged. That frictional comb, near side not touch, near side with pieces of paper. That time pieces of paper automatically attract towards them. That's why this example also show, first of all you non-contact, after one contact, after one electrostatics. Another is that bar magnet or horseshoe magnet which are nearby the iron sticks. Iron stick get attracted. I am not saying जा मनाची गरज नाहीये. Iron nail get attracted toward the bar magnet. That time, first of all, that force held up in between magnet and nails, non-contact. If all attracted, become a contact force. After one, magnetic force. That time, he says that each and every can be done because of certain forces under the contact as well as non-contact. Sir, if it is one, that time he says that each and every theoretical observation you can be straight in front of student where it is naked experiment. How I confidently say these are the contact as well as non-contact. If you observe them, that time suppose that in your mind I can be selected big container. See what I do. Suppose that you can be selected big container. In a big container, 2 or 234 or 75%, it can be fulfilled with water. If it is fulfilled with water, sir, that which construction I after one follow. Take a 2 empty bottles. Empty bottles, that's one unfilled with oxygen. Not that I take control measure on himself. Precaution ghetto. At the time of flow down that water surface, I pack up, I tight, I can restrict exchange of O2 and CO2 in water. Certain types of condition I can replace while inside in water. That's why I draw simple diagram. First water, which has certain types of lid. Second water, it has also certain types of magnesium. First and also. Sir, what is this? These are the fish. How you see in the sea level diagram? Not. He says that if you observe them, I observe, there is a contact force and there is also non-contact force. How I imagine, how I see, because of seeing, you want to establish that experiment, which I do after one. I hold the bar magnet, which have 2 poles, N and S. Same can be applied on another bottle. It does not stay on the body of water. That's why I took or take stickotech. With the help of stickotech, directly stick attached with the body margin of water. Sir, what they are again? Sir, they are uploaded. There is a chances to keep inside. Not. I want to hear only observe. Contact force on the way. Non-contact force is also on the way. Still functioning, they carry. Because of this, all experiments you can be observed. Sir, what they? Suppose that here is a N and here is also S. That time two like charges close with each other. Like charges repel with each other. That's why two water does not contact with each other. That time I see here is a non-contact. I know away from non-contact. That's not contact. But that water simultaneously move toward the opposite direction. That film, that photographical representation, I catch through that experience. That time it is known as non-contact. Second of all, instead of same pole, I can be chosen another pole opposite. That time they automatically get attracted with each other. I have no interest. Yes, like, yes, attraction, repulsion, but I have contact and non-contact via moving of bottle. If bottle come towards, contact. I am not interfering. Yes. Whatever you do about magnet, you interfere in that way. Here I observe how contact and how non-contact because of moving and float of water. Float of water of bottle. That time I observe it is created because of contact force as well as non-contact. That's why we reach to that point of angle. Among all forces, some are the contact while some are the non-contact. Second of all, third another is there. It is known as balanced force. And second of all, non-balanced. Tomorrow we can be learn detail about this. That's why today stop here. Whatever points, those are teachers now. Are you got very well?
Yes, sir.
In summarized, in short view, I can give your output of today's hour. Today we can describe about title of lesson, question asking method to ask a question. After one photographical representation show contact while some are non-contact. Thank you.